Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'm here to talk about this trading platform that I and my community have been trading for quite a while. It is called Coinryze trading platform. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a detailed step-by-step guide on how you can understand the Coinryze trading calculator, and also how you can maximize your profit and secure all form of good risk management plan. Now on this platform, you can earn even as higher, much more higher than what you are seeing displayed on my screen. So quickly now, let's get started. If you want to get registered on this platform, just note that the link to this platform is in the description box of this video, is as well as in the pinned comments of this video. Make sure you find your way to my Telegram channel, as you can see displayed right here on my screen. If you have any other question after watching this video, I'll be there to guide you. So quickly now, I want to talk about majorly understanding the trading calculator. Now most people have been making use of this trading calculator, possibly they do not understand how it works. So if you want to see the link to the calculator, you'll find it in the description box of this video, as well as in my Telegram channel for detailed guide. For those that are starters in and want to trade here, note that you can start with as low as 10 USDT and as high as even 1000 USDT, and your withdrawal is actually sure. This platform is actually long term, so it's not as if your money is not going to be sure. It is sure. So first of all, let me start with explaining the trading calculator, how it works. Now if you look displayed right here on my screen, you are going to see there are different stages. We have 7, 8, 9 and 10 stages. Now we're making use of primarily what stage 8, so you're just going to make sure you tap on stage 8. Now depending on your capital, you are going to be clicking that exact capital to this calculator here. Now at the end of this video, I'm supposed to be dropping my own personal trading secrets that is going to help you in good risk management plan, but I'll be doing that in my Telegram channel. So make sure you find your way to my Telegram channel, so I'll share those secrets during live stream for you to also maximize your profit. So for example, let's say we have the capital of 50 USDT, right? So if we have a capital of 50 USDT, now this is how our trade is going to be. We are going to be following each signal in this like manner. Trade 1, which is going to be 0.1. Now if this trade 1 happens to run into a loss, then the next thing you are going to do is there is going to be a multiplier, so you follow it down to stage 8. Now this is what you are going to note. If eventually, you understand, eventually maybe you enter into a loss or so, the next thing you are going to do is that they are going to be crediting you this particular amount that you lost in stage 8. Now this particular amount you are seeing right here, right, that's what is going to be given to you 100%. That's if after you trade from stage 1 down to stage 8 and it ends up as a loss, so stage 8 is going to be given to you in full 100%, and you'll be credited to your own Coinryze trading account. So quickly now, let me show you guys actually how you are going to trade here. Now we'll be making use of the BTC trading signal, which we have different signal group here, but I want to make use of this particular one that you're seeing right here. Now as you can see, there are different trades that are being placed here, right? So this is how you are going to be placing a trade. Let's say for example, now look at the period number, look at the trade, and look at the quantity. Now let's just place a trade here. So I come here, I tap on this, right? Now this signal is actually far gone because we're not going to meet up with the timer. So before that, now let me show you how you can actually go evaluate and see your profit and loss. You understand? So if you want to check that, just come here and tap on my order. So if you tap on my order, you're going to see like a historical trend chart of how you have been trading so far. So you can see, right, so you can see for mine, right, this is how it actually looks like. So I'm just going to scroll through. This is how it actually looks like. So you can see beyond the losses, there are also good time. You can see there are also good time big profits they are going to be making here, and you can actually recover all form of losses that you make. You understand? So now the next thing we're going to do, like I said, I want to show you guys how to place a trade. So now let's place this trade big 42. Let's tap on it. So it is what big. So let's make use of our trading calculator 0.1. So we just tap on it. Okay, the timer is far gone, so we can't make use of it. So before that, let me just make use of the trading calculator. Now what we have in our balance here is 21, so let's tap on 21, right? So because we have 21, our trade is going to be what, 0.1. Are you seeing? So this is how you make use of your own calculator. You see it, right? So it's 0.1. so now let's go. Let's wait for a new signal to come up. So once the signal come up, it is going to be what, even 43. So we are going to be placing a trade of what, 0.1. so tap on the signal type, which is what, even. We cancel this one and we'll place 0.1. so you see the signal number, right, is 43, right? So we'll tap on what, trade. So So after we tap on trade, we are just going to wait for the countdown, and you are going to see how much you can or we are going to see if this our signal was actually a win or a loss. So that's how you're actually going to be doing it for here. Now if you want to get started on this platform, I'm going to be attaching different videos here so you can actually see. If you want to recharge, you tap on recharge here, right? And you can make use of either USDT or you make use of fiat currency. Now for fiat currency, this it supports both Nigeria, Egypt. You can see different currency that is support here. Now if you're making use of fiat currency, your deposit is going to be you're going to be depositing to a fiat receiving address, which is going to be coming as a one-time address, you understand? But I would best recommend that you make use of USDT. It's very easy. Just go buy USDT from your own exchange, whatever exchange you have, and then you deposit here. Just choose any amount. For example, you are depositing 30 USDT, you just tap on next here, you copy this address, and then you go send it. Remember this, look at this instruction. Your deposit is going to arrive what? You just make sure you are making use of this address for a one time, you understand? Do not save this address. Each time you want to deposit, make sure you come here and repeat the same process depending on how much you want to deposit. So if you want to withdraw, you tap on withdrawal here, and then you place an amount, and then you actually withdraw. Now you might be asking, okay, how do you contact customer support? Just in case maybe you have any question that you want to ask customer support. So now let's check this our trade that we actually did. So the countdown is still on hold. So before that, let me show you how you can actually contact customer support. Now for you to contact the customer support, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box of this video, you understand? It's also going to be as a post on my Telegram channel. Now this is actually how the customer support link actually looks like. So you see it on my Telegram on the pinned comments of this video, as well as the description box. So if I just tap on this right here, this is the customer support, right? You can see this is customer support. You can also chat on the customer support, and they will actually answer you for whatsoever question that you have. When you place a withdrawal, please make sure you contact customer support so that your withdrawal can be approved. Now if you want to get your compensation, right, let's say you enter into a loss running to stage 8, just make sure you come back to this video, click on the link in the description box, and all you just need to do is to come here and check all these your orders, right? Just come here and tap on this your order, and the next thing you are going to do is that you are just going to screenshot all these your losses that you made before, all these your losses that you made following the trading plan, and then you will send it to customer support, and you are going to and what is going to happen is that you are going to be credited 100% what you lost in stage 8. So let's see if possibly we can actually go with another signal. So let's just come here and tap on this. So let's see 46 small. Let's tap on this. So let's just see, let's trade 46 small. Remember it's 0.1 that we're using, right? So let's tap on trade. You understand? So like I said, I'm going to be sharing another trading secret on my own Telegram, on my personal trading Telegram channel, because there we do live stream. You can ask any question you have as far as trading is concerned, and I'll be there to guide you. Ensure that you make use of this calculator thoroughly. The link to the calculator is in the description box, you understand? So depending on your capital, let's say okay, maybe you have $1,000, you want to trade with around $1,000, you can just put your $1,000 here, and then you make sure you set it on stage 8. Now why it's on stage 8, once you get to stage 8, then you follow the trading plan. So let's go check our trade. Let's come here and tap on my order. So as you can see right now, the trade that we made is actually a win. So you see it, right? You see it, right? So this one's actually a win. So that's how it actually works. So make sure what you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Make sure you find your way to register here. If you want to register, just make sure you just if I just log out. Now let's say I log out, then I want to register. If I want to register, this is how you register here. You just input an email, and then you tap on next, and that's just basically it. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe.